In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video in PowerPoint so that it plays automatically and effortlessly. This process can enhance your presentation, making it more engaging and visually dynamic. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the program ready to go. This will lay down the foundation for the steps that follow. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and load the presentation you want to improve by adding a video. It's important to have this presentation ready because we'll be making changes directly to it. Now, with your presentation open, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the window. Here, you'll find several tabs, each offering a multitude of features. Click on the Insert tab. This is your gateway to adding rich content to your slides. Inserting videos is one of the fantastic ways to make them more interactive, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with this tab for other features as well. On the far right side of the options in the Insert tab, you'll see an option labeled Video. Go ahead and select it. This action prompts a drop-down menu to appear, giving you different sources from which you can add a video. For today's tutorial, let's go with stock videos. Stock videos are a convenient choice because they are professionally made, free to use, and ready to go within PowerPoint. This eliminates the need for downloading videos from external sites or producing your own content. Once you have clicked on stock videos, you'll be presented with a gallery of video options to choose from. Take your time to browse through the selection. You want to ensure the video you pick aligns well with the theme and message of your presentation. After selecting the perfect video, move on to the next step. Now simply click on the Insert button. This action will include your chosen video into the slide you are currently working on. It might take a moment, so be patient and wait for the video to finish downloading into PowerPoint. The download depends on the size of the video and the speed of your internet connection, so grab a coffee if it takes a moment longer. Once the video has completed downloading, it will be placed directly onto your slide. From here you can reposition and resize the video clip to ensure it fits perfectly within your design. So there you go, your video is now integrated into your PowerPoint presentation and is set to play automatically, adding a dynamic layer to your storytelling capabilities. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our channel for more helpful PowerPoint tips and tricks. Happy presenting!